Muthia bunge ya bururi ni hitukitie mutaratara wa watho wa gutabania mugaruruku watho-ini wa kuramata kigina kia ugima wa mwiri wa NHIF. Abunge makiuga watho uyu ugukorwo uri na kiguni kinene kuri muingi.
Who wanted to frustrate this bill, I would only say shame on such a member. Shame on such a member, because really, Madam Speaker, we cannot play politics with such an important piece of legislation.
We were lobbied to have this bill defeated in your hands, but there is no way we would have allowed such an important bill to die in your hands to punish you.
Abunge matongoretio ni muikariri giti wa kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri Sabina Chege maugite matacukite ikinya riri ria gutigirira mu Kenya ni auro murigo ureumanaga na marihi maiguru ma urigitani.
You have not done this for yourself but for the entire nation, and especially for proper health care in this Republic of Kenya. And so mine is just to say thank you. Let's not politic, but let's continue with the same spirit.
A lot of that happening, especially with this COVID situation, where families are actually not just losing a dear one, but they're having to lose even all the property they have as they try to pay the bills. And we hope with this bill that this National Assembly has passed, and with the cooperation of the Senate, that we will see the end of that misery.
Healthcare management system, it will now be possible for NHIF to standardize the cost of pharmaceuticals, the cost of certain procedures, that no either private or public hospitals, no hospital will be able to overcharge the fund.
All of us in this house, Madam Chair, Madam Speaker, all of us in this house have been contributing towards medication of our constituents. With this bill, if it is assented to, that burden will be reduced. It will not be eliminated. Let's not cheat ourselves, but the burden will largely and significantly and substantially be reduced.
Mamwe mamendekithia ma watho uyu ni hamwe na wandikithia wao muhaka kuri mundu wothe ukinyitie miaka 18 guthii na iguru, marihi mari ma ciringi 6,000 o mwaka kana ciringi 500 o mweri. Na oho watho uyu ni witikiritie Minister wa ugima wa mwiri kwendekithia makinya ma kiwatho maria mabatie kwerwo aria mataneyandikithia na mubango uyu. Watho uyu no wendekithitie andikani kurutaga kigina kiiganaine na kiria mwandiko araruta hari marihi ma o mweri ma NHIF, undu uria nginyagia riu utari uretikanirio naguo ni ruhonge rwa wandikani FKE, undu umwe na ngwataniro ya ciama cia aruti a wira KOTU. Watho uyu nuratanyitwo gutigirira bodi njeru ni athondekwo ya gukinyaniria tabarira cia urigitani ya UHC iria irarutaga wira wayo itiganite na bodi ya NHIF. Thengia ya watho uyu kuhitukio, wetereri wa mukenya wa marihi ma NHIF kuguithio kuma ciringi 500 nginyagia 300 ndona kinyanira thutha wa rendekithia riri utianirio muthenya wa ira. Riu maitho mothe marorereirio bunge-ini ya Senate gukorwo ikihitukia mutaratara uyu wa watho, na kungikinyirirwo ni wahatukio ugatwarwo kuri mutongoria wa bururi kuhitukia.
This bill, if actualized and operationalized, I want to join the leader of majority in appealing to the other house, the Senate, to quickly pass this bill and allow it to become operational as law to enable Kenyans access a social insurance scheme.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Ritorako ni Wanjiru wa Foro.